Okay, good morning, Algebra half, 7th graders. This morning we're going to be doing lesson 75. It's called implied ratios. And it's easy, it's another cross multiply and divide lesson, which we've had a lot of. Okay, the start of the problem, it says, it takes 2.5 eggs to make 140 cookies. You want to make sure that you are labeling which is which. 2.5 eggs, you could just put an E if you wanted to. It takes to make 140 cookies. Maybe you put a C instead. That's what they did in the book. And they want to know how many eggs it would take to make 1,680 cookies. 1,680 cookies. And the unknown is how many eggs. So we mark that with an X or some other variable, right? So we're going to do our cross multiply, and whatever that is, you can either multiply it times 5 halves, right? The improper fraction of 2.5 would be 5 halves. You could multiply 5 halves times 1680 over 1, okay? However you want to do that. Or you could multiply 1680 times 2.5, right? 2.5 is 2.5. Either one is going to get you your answer, okay? Which is a pretty big number. The number is 4,000, I don't know, what is it? 4,200. And then you'll take that number and divide it by 140. So 4,200 divided by 140 will give you your answer of how many eggs you will need to make 1,680 cookies, okay? And after you divide this out, your answer is 30 eggs, okay? According to the book. I didn't have to do it out. I'm just going with what the book says, right? Okay, the next one as an example says, it takes 3 tons of fertilizer to fertilize 170 eggs. 3, what did I say? 3 tons of fertilizer for 170 acres, acres, 3 tons of fertilizer. Okay, so I mark that with a TF and acres. And then it wants to know, Farmer Brown needs to fertilize 1,870 acres. And my unknown is how many tons of fertilizer do I need, or does he need? Does Farmer Brown need? 1870 times 3. 1870 times 3 is 5610. And I'm going to divide that by what? 170. 170. Cross multiply and divide. Your answer is 33 tons of fertilizer. Pretty simple lesson. Okay? Hope everyone's hanging in there. We'll see you next lesson. Do the practice. Hold on. There's only one practice, and then there's 1 through 30. Make sure you do the practice. See you next time.